What up, good peoples? What's happening, man? Happy Tuesday, wherever you are in this world, man. Hey, I hope you're making some crypto bank, baby. I hope you're in your drawers like me. You make the most money. Never mind. Anyway, Centric Rise, Centric Cash. A few people talk about it, man. You know what I'm saying? They loving it in my Telegram. I ain't saying nothing about it. I looked into it, man. I'm giving you my opinion on it. Could be right, could be wrong. It's just my opinion. So we're gonna go through it, man, see what's happening. Okay, so this is the Centric site, you know, smiling people and everything. Pretty cool. All right, you know what I'm saying? Now, here it is. Get started. Buy Centric Cash from one of these exchanges. Convert Centric Cash to Centric Rise. They got a swap thing that you can do. Then you hold Centric Rise and watch its value increase every hour. Sound good, but it's kind of misleading. It's crazy. Cause you look, okay, so here's the value of Centric Rise. That they put this dollar sign here to make you think it's $10. It's not $10, man. Why would you do that, man? Why would you do that? Centric Rise Centric Rise has no value at all, to be honest with you. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I looked into it to get it, but the more I looked into it, it doesn't make sense. Centric Rise has no value, zero value at all. The only value Centric Rise has is the value of Centric Cash. That's the value of Centric Rise is the value of Centric Cash. That's how, because you can't cash it out to nothing but CNS, Centric Cash. So you look at Centric Cash and you're like, now if you got in back here and roll that up, then you good. Now here's the thing: you got people. I saw Trayvon make a video about it up here, and he said, "Well, I ain't want to make a video about Apple because I ain't want people to get wrecked." So you make a video up here at 2 cent, and then you dump on everybody. Then you go. He talking about, yeah, I took a little profit on that. Little hell, you dump that shit on everybody's head, daddy. Oh man, that is hilarious, man. One day y'all gonna learn, man, to be the dumper and stop being the dumpy. You know what I'm saying? It's man, I just don't get it, man. It has, like I say, Century Rise is tied to this price. Now they tell you, yeah, it's gonna be $1. Just wait the next year. It's going to for how? Why? What is gonna make it go to $1? What is it doing? Well, it could even get to 5 cents, much less 95 more cent. That doesn't even make sense. It's like people throw out all the stuff they learn about crypto just because they see, a little hype on it, somebody make a video or something, and it doesn't make any sense. There's nothing to make with CNS go to $1. Nothing. If I'm missing something, let me know. You know what I'm saying? They got debit cards and ATM machines in the pipeline. Let me know. Because I see no reason for this coin to go to $1. Zero. Here was the hype train right here. If you miss this, it's over. All this is just being dumped on. That's just you hoping for the best. Something new. Something you think you're missing out on. Something shiny. Because somebody says it's going to $1. That doesn't even make sense. I just, for the life of me, I can't wrap my head around it. I'm thinking I'm missing something like, what's going on? What is the deal? The Centric Rise, you're supposed to hold it, it goes up in value. What value? It has no value. You can't cash it out into nothing but CNS. And if it's going down in value, you holding 100,000 worth of nothing. Like, it doesn't make sense. Especially if you bought up in here. You bought at 2 cent, now down here. You losing money. Who likes to look? That doesn't make. I mean, you just looking at the chart like, okay, go up, go up, go up. There's nothing to make it go up. What is? I mean, the hype came, people got in. Now everybody looking at it hoping to go up. There's nothing to make it go up. What's coming? You know what I'm saying? So far as I know, And then you can get them for free on something called Moolah. Anything you can get for free on Moolah, you think it's going to $1? Come on, man. Come on. We know what's real funny. And I understand how people what you got to do, but they'll make videos saying, I ain't getting nothing that don't have a use case. I ain't getting nothing that this and that. What the hell use case is this? This is nothing but a Ponzi. You're gonna need more money to come in. And why is it gonna go to $1? Please explain that to me. If somebody can help me with that, then I jump in. What is gonna make this coin go to $1? Moolah bet? Like I'm serious. Why would I hold Centric? Why? Just a bunch of air, a bunch of nothing? Something made up? It might well have centric feet, centric eyes, centric forehead, centric chair, centric city, centric country. It doesn't make. It's made up nothing. And I'm not being. I know y'all think I'm not. Hey man, it might be next month. I might jump in, man. Like, hey man, I was wrong. But from what I can see, I don't know, man. Nothing but a dump move to me. They got dumped on, and I don't see it going to $1. It'll be a month from now. You still 0.009 or whatever. It might be lower than that. I don't know. So, hey man, because when they do, it's funny how they can do charts on everything else. When they do a chart on this, they don't want to see these lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. They don't want to talk about that. These lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Don't want to talk about that. Don't want to talk about that. So, I don't know, man. But, hey, it might go to $1, man. You know what I'm saying? If we find a use case, I don't know what the use case is, but, I just be over here on Pamp. On old Pamp. I ain't been in Pamp in 11 days. See how much that is. I made 291 Pamp. Let's see how much that is. 291. 291 times what's Pamp? $1.70? $1.40? It's always around $1.50. Let me do $1.50. $436 real dollars. Real dollars. No fake dollars. No move. Don't take out the dollar sign. None of that. That's over ETH in 11 days. Let's see what you get at Centric Rise in 11 days. And we're going to talk about Apple for. I know Trevor don't like Apple for. Hold on. Money caller. Money, 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 money. I'm always selling something. Anyway. 139 Apple for. That's just in rewards. We ain't talking about what I'm holding in my wallet. When I get them rebates, it's free coins. When it go on $1, I think it's on $1 now. You know it's going back to $1. So if it's like 80 cents, you gonna get it. That's an automatic built-in 20 cent per coin in return. It's going back to $1. We've seen that before. People that bought at 60 cents made a killing because it went right back. It doubled. It went back to $1.34. Boom, just that easy. But no, I don't know Apple. You might go get wrecked. Buy some of this right here. Hey man, I'm gonna let y'all have that, man. But anyway, like the video, man. Comment, subscribe. Holla back at you, boy.